This is Todd, back in the JCR garage. Today, we're going to be installing this rear window MOLLE panel for a JL. When you open the package, you're going to find one MOLLE panel, your bolt pack, and then 4 brackets. These brackets are side specific, whether you install them on the left or the right side of the Jeep. Inside your bolt pack, you're going to find 2 longer metric bolts and 3 smaller standard with corresponding nuts. The 2 longer ones are for mounting the brackets to the Jeep. We're going to set those aside as we assemble the brackets onto the MOLLE panel using these bolts. Since we're going to be installing this on the right-hand side or passenger side of the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and need this bracket here. Now, when you install the brackets on the bottom, the shorter one goes to the front, the longer one goes to the rear. Now, as with everything, you're going to want to just start the nut and bolt. That way you can have room for adjustment after you install the brackets onto the Jeep. Now, before we begin installation, we do have to remove this upper bolt right here. That's a T25 Torx. Next, we're going to go ahead and bolt the panel in, but I just wanted to note, we have a best top system on our Jeep here. This is designed to work with the factory soft top, hard top, or an aftermarket top like the best top. Okay, we're going to reinstall the bolt you just took out, leaving it a little bit loose for adjustment. Next, we're taking the 2 supplied bolts. Now, if you're using the factory hard top, you can reuse the factory hardware in this position. We're putting this bracket on top of our best top bracket. You can put it on top or under, depending on your liking. Once you have everything started, go ahead and start snugging it up slightly, just to get everything aligned. On the back side of the 3/16 button head is a serrated flange nut. Occasionally they won't actually tighten up all the way, and you have to stick a 1/2 inch end wrench on it to be able to draw it snug. Once you have your 3 button heads tight, go ahead and do your final draw of the body bolts. And there you have it. Installation of our rear window MOLLE panel. If you have any questions on this or any of our other JCR off-road products, don't hesitate to give us a call at 269-353-1184 or shoot us an email at info@jcroffroad.com.